Please do follow Rajesh Talks channel and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a beautiful Monday evening. To make this evening much more interesting and colorful, I want to talk about a famous personality who is a singer and also a writer too. Her voice is mesmerizing. Believe me, she has such a superb and beautiful vocal cords that would take us to a different planet altogether. She is none other than Adele. Let's begin the talk show. Adele Laurie Blue Atkins is an English singer-songwriter. Graduating from the Brit School for Performing Arts and Technology in 2006. Adele was given a recording contract by Excel Recordings after a friend posted her demo on MySpace the same year. In 2007, she received the Brit Awards Critics' Choice Award and won the BBC Sound of 2008 poll. Her debut album 19 was released in 2008 to commercial and critical success. It is certified 7 times platinum in the United Kingdom and double platinum in the United States. An appearance she made on Saturday Night Live in late 2008 boosted her career in the United States. At the 51st Grammy Awards in 2009, Adele received the awards for Best New Artist and Best Female Pop Vocal Performance. Adele released a second studio album, 21. In early 2011, the album was well received critically and surpassed the success of her debut, earning the singer numerous awards in 2012. Among them, a record-tying 6 Grammy Awards, including Album of the Year, 2 Brit Awards, including British Album of the Year, and 3 American Music Awards too. The album has been certified 16 times platinum in the United Kingdom and is the 4th best-selling album in the United Kingdom of all time. In the United States, it has held the top position longer than any album since 1985 and is certified diamond. The album has sold 31 million copies worldwide. The success of 21 earned Adele numerous mentions in the Guinness Book of World Records. In 2012, she released Skyfall, which she wrote and recorded for the James Bond film of the same name. The song won an Academy Award, a Grammy Award, and a Golden Globe Award for Best Original Song. After taking a 3-year break, Adele released her 3rd studio album, 25, in 2015. It became the year's best-selling album and broke first-week sales records in the United Kingdom and United States too. The lead single, Hello, became the first song in the United States to sell over 1 million digital copies within a week of its release. In 2011 and 2012, Billboard named Adele Artist of the Year. Time magazine named her one of the most influential people in the world in 2012 and 2016. With sales of more than 100 million records, Adele is one of the best-selling recording artists